Well, this is one peaceful dove. Look at him. He's so sleepy. He just got through eating. And he got so sleepy. He thought he'd hang out here. Can you hear the bird song? We have a white-throated sparrow. That's a titmouse. Hear the titmouse? In the background you hear cardinals. All kinds of birds. I want you to have a wonderful morning. Hallelujah. Yahushua has brought us one more day to honor it and bless him with. Oh, look. Our dove woke up and decided she'd finish eating. Hallelujah. You have a great day today.